So my aircraft went up and up and up and started flying, and the Litchi app shut down, like disappeared off the screen. So now my aircraft was going like above some sort of an area that I don't want to see. Like you see, it's kind of deep snow here in some places. So I was going above this valley, and I'm having hard time to grab this aircraft to make it come back to me, because once it's away from you, you can't see the lights, you can't see where it goes, and you think it comes back to you, but it goes away. And I'm in panic, and I'm sweating more than I was sweating when I came up here. And so I realized that I can't control this thing, and it's flying, and I'm trying to press the return home button, and it does something, but it keeps moving with the wind and upwind. Something was weird, and yeah, it probably is high wind up there, like another 50 meters higher, and so I'm panic. What I'm supposed to do? So it's not coming home. So it was going away. Then was trying. So I'm trying to control it back manually. So I'm trying to use the remote, and the aircraft is still moving on its own mind. And I decided to open the DJI Go app, and now I was able to connect to it, and so ooh, that's cool. And I press return home, and it's doing some sort of a high speed thing. I don't know if I did record that. And it's going in circles, and I see it on the map, and I'm able to bring it close to me, and it comes above me, comes higher in the air, and does a loop, and it goes away. And maybe I thought, maybe this guy recorded a wrong home point or something. Recorded a home point on Litchi, and since the Litchi disappeared off the screen, what the heck is going on? So anyway, I was able to bring it closer to me, but it was going high speed, and I said, "Ooh, how the heck to turn the speed low?" So he's flying in circle, and he's doing stupid stuff. And now so I decided to crash it. Because there's no point for me to stay stressed out. So I thought, okay, I'll crash it somewhere in a tree. Done. And this little thing, I found it here on the snow. So it came like and I thought, okay, it hit some tree. It's damaged, it's gone. So I look at it, and it was trying to fly. Actually, it was trying to fly. And when I picked it up, I put it back down in the snow to its resting place. And I'm looking, okay, camera gimbal, it's fine. Look at that. Camera gimbal is fine. Has some snow in it, so I have to take the battery off right away. And you see, ate half of the battery on this flight. The propellers are okay. So maybe it's a good thing that I put some epoxy inside. So now, yeah, I have to shake the snow. So I let it go. That was a stupid experience here. So first time using Litchi, and I knew it's going to cause some trouble. So you have to test this Litchi app on a flat area, like some farm field or somewhere where you can find your aircraft. No wind conditions, so it's only the Litchi controlling the aircraft, not the wind, not you. So make sure you do proper preparation before you fly and get used to this app. It's a cool app. So also the last thing, I tried to do the follow mode, and it went towards the trees. Scary. Anyway, see you later. Bye bye.